Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Verify the scanner has power and network access so enrollment completes without interruption. Once logged into the Persona app, choose Enroll New Fingerprint and follow on-screen prompts. This initiates secure key exchange to bind your print to your digital identity. You should hold your finger relaxed and steady. Pressure matters, because the sensor captures ridge details. Make sure to use the same finger you plan to authenticate with later, and confirm your legal name matches the ID. Once the enrollment begins, you perform multiple scans to create a comprehensive template that tolerates small variations. Position the finger on the center pad and gently roll from base to tip to capture all ridge patterns. This reduces false rejects. If your finger is oily or wet, clean and dry it first because moisture blurs minutiae. Make sure to capture 3 to 5 orientations: flat, slight roll, and angled, so the system can match later even if placement changes. Confirm each capture meets the quality threshold shown. When your template passes quality checks, save it and enable encrypted backup so you can recover identity if the device changes. Make sure you also configure a fallback method like PIN or biometric alternate. Once saved, you should test authentication right away. Perform 1 or 2 unlock attempts to verify reliability. If you encounter repeated failures, first clean the sensor and retry. If issues persist, re-enroll the same finger or enroll an alternate finger. Keep your recovery codes in a safe place for emergency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.